Ma'am, ano na mga bago sa'yo ngayon?
Ah, well, medyo excited ako na yun dahil meron akong bagong project sa Channel 2, Channel 2, ABS-CBN, and kasama ko yung mga magaling tsaka, you know, sobrang talented ng actress, si Janice Belen, tsaka kasama din si Erich, si Daniel Matsunaga. So ito na naman na yung pinaka-first soap opera ko. So excited ako dyan. And siguro pa umpisa siya ng January. So yun.
Paano ka na-convince na umarte?
Paano? Alam mo naman. Actually, dati, commercial model ako.
Oo.
Okay, so palagi kailangan talaga ng umarte sa mga commercials. I'm proud to say that I've done more than 10 or 20 commercials around the world. From shampoo commercial to skincare, to product, even Nescafe, lahat. So palagi kailangan talaga, lahat ng commercials na kunin ko dati, kailangan talaga ng umarte. Kailangan na merong konti drama, na merong either may commercial ng parang love ako, may commercial ng para na yoga ko, pero never ako na yoga dati, parang ganon. So, palagi meron talaga yung arte.
May arte.
Oh, may arte sa commercial. And then, it just happened that that was one of the areas na hindi ako na-explore na todo-todo. So, palagi din, of course, kasama ko ng asawa ko sa mga events, di ba? So, kilala ko ng mga iba-iba ng magaling tsaka, you know, medyo mabigat na, na producers, artistas, mga bosses ng mga channels. And I was managing my husband. So, of course, ako yung contact sa between my husband and yung mga, you know, like producers, mga ganon. And it got to a point where, one time, si Tinta, one of the, you know, like parang producers, kilala ng ABS, she called me, and then sabi niya, Priscilla, gusto ko kausap kita dahil meron ito project, blah 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 blah. Sabi ko, okay, sige po. I'll talk to you. Hindi para sa'yo yan, para sa akin. Bakit naman? Then sabi niya, no, gusto natin na guest kita sa isang soap opera kasi parang foreigner yung character, gano'n. Sabi ko, wow, salamat po to think of me. Sure. Please pasend yung character description. I'll take a look, and then if I like, definitely I'll get back to you right away. So that's what happened.
Wow.
So I read the character description. I like it. I identify myself with her, and then I said, pwede po. Patry ko lang kung kaya ko yan.
How was it?
Maganda naman. I was very happy with the character. Binigyan ko ng todo-todo, and I was very, very happy kasi they're happy with what I was able to achieve during those tapings. And so yun.